Alright, so for Lab 2, Question 1, we were building a sequential model, and this was the result that we got. For Question 2, we had the logistic regression, and these were our results. Question 3, we were using the CNN, and this was our code. Question 4, we were unable to get rid of a few errors, and we had the same problem with question 5 with this key error. For question 6, we were just comparing. We changed the density to 4 in this adding layer, and we said that LSTM does better. And for question 7, we were using decoders and encoders. So this was before and after decoding.